Guys, so I bought another set of phone, and I bought a phone. My friend saw the phone I got from China, so I got a phone and a laptop from China. So I'm on my way to collect it from the rider right now. So yeah, we're going to do another unboxing video. Yeah.
Or you can take it.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. So let's go and unbox. This is a phone and a laptop. The phone is for one of my friends from church, and the laptop is for my friend. Let's unbox, guys. I cannot wait to show you guys the phone and the laptop. So let's start with the smaller one. Let me get my scissors. This is the phone. This is an iPhone 11 Pro Max. So the guy said his budget was 300k, 300,000. So we had to look for a phone that had like a minor issue, so it would be cheaper. So we went for a 11 Pro Max that has no Face ID. So this phone has no Face ID. So it comes with a, what's this called? A case, a phone case. Then let's unbox. I don't know why this guy gave me a box and he did not give me a charger. No charger, but he put box. I'm now paying extra for a box that there is no charger. So this is the phone. Look, it's so clean, like very clean. So let's turn it on. So it's coming on now. Let's turn it on. So the phone is on now and it's written in Chinese. So the first thing I'm going to do is to change it from Chinese to English. So I'm just going to the settings, what's it called, general, language and region. So this phone is actually what's it called, it's actually on iOS 18, which is nice. So it's easier to change to English. Language is changing now. It's changing to English now. So it has changed to English now. Then I'm going to change the region to Nigeria. So change the English to UK. So it's changing to UK English now. So the language has changed right now. Then I'm just going to go ahead and check the phone, everything in general. Phone is so clean, guys, so clean. Now I feel like buying it. Oh my god. So let me connect to my Wi-Fi so that we can have access to some things. So I've connected to my Wi-Fi now, and it's, let's see. So the guy I got it for is not here, so he will be the one to log into his iCloud and all those things. But you can do that. So when it comes, it will do all those things. True tone, let's check for true tone. So it has true tone. Let's check for battery health. Battery. So the battery health is 100%. Battery health is 100%, which means they have fixed this battery before. So if you are buying a used phone and the battery health is 100%, they have definitely fixed the battery before. It's not a problem, honestly, it's not a problem. You can always use it like that. So battery health is 100%. They have fixed it before. What else? True tone is working. Face ID and passcode. So set up Face ID. Get started. See, Face ID not available. So it doesn't have any Face ID. Let's check the storage, iPhone storage. So 256 gig. So the phone looks perfect to me. The phone is so clean. I feel like taking the phone. Let me check the camera. Let me make a video. Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so this is me on the video camera testing the quality. Let's test the back. Just making a video. 11 Pro Max has one of the best iPhone cameras ever. So nice. 11 Pro Max has one of the best iPhone cameras ever. So the phone is working well. Siri is working well.
The colors of the sky fade with
Phone is working. So I just put a SIM card inside. Mobile service. So MTN Nigeria. The SIM is working. You can even add eSIM to the phone. So eSIM will make you have two SIMs on the phone. Let me try and make a call. So I'm calling my other line right now to see. So the SIM can make calls. You can make calls. You can use your SIM. So it's not locked. It's not a locked phone. It's a properly working phone. The phone is working well and everything is there. The IMEI number, everything is perfect. You can update the phone. Another way to know if a phone has been stolen, you won't be able to update it. So you see this one, you can update it. You can update the phone. You can update it, so that's the good thing. You can update it. The space is perfect. The camera is working. So we are good to go. So let's go straight into the laptop. So this is the laptop. This laptop was about 370 something k. So I'm not really a laptop person and my friend really wanted a laptop. So we had to send the specifications and everything to an expert before she was able to buy this laptop. If it's phone now, I would say, but laptops, I don't really know much about laptop. And I'm not even using an HP laptop or this. I'm using what's it called? Apple laptop. So I don't really know much. So this is the charger. It comes with a free charger. I was scared that it will not come with charger because when I asked her, she didn't say anything about charger. Like the seller didn't say anything about charger. So this laptop is so cute. I'll show you why I said it's so cute now. It has some stickers on it that I don't understand why it's there, but so this is the laptop. You can see the design on it. This is why I said it's so cute, because I don't understand if it's stickers or so it's not stickers. Oh, that's the design, or the sticker is just very, it's like a design on it. So it has a scratch here. It has a small scratch here. Let's turn it on. So it's coming on now. Wow, that was fast. Okay, I didn't know laptops like it's so fast. See, so I don't even know what to check. They're supposed to change the language from English to from Chinese to English. So I have to find that one. Mm. So I think we have to download the language. I finally found Nigeria. So this is the laptop. I've changed the language to English. I think so. Two, what's it called? That's one drive and another drive. I don't know what that means. Maybe they installed another one. I don't know. But that's it, sha. This is the laptop, and it's really really fast, like very fast. So yeah, that's it. So guys, I have finally changed it to English and everything is working perfectly. One thing I love about this laptop is that it is very fast. Let me even try and browse the internet to see if YouTube will work. We offer video conversion. I said in the video, I'm just calling you to test it. The phone is so nice. I miss my XR. I miss when I had XR. So that is it, guys. This phone, the way they came together, is so funny. This one I bought another laptop originally, but the girl refunded me. She said the laptop is not good, so she refunded me. So pray when you are importing from China that you find people that are legit, people that actually don't want to sell you nonsense. So yeah, this is the phone and the laptop I imported from China. So happy that everything came out well and everything is working well. So yeah, do well to send me a DM if you like to join our China importation class, normal importation class, and phone importation, gadget importation. You can import cameras, phones, laptop, TV, anything you want to import, even designer bags and shoes and all. So yeah, deliver the phone to the owner now. And this is, say hello.
Good evening. Hello.
How are you?
Fine.
Open it and check now.
Oh, this one's a review.
See,
Thank you.
so that is your phone, and your bike should not go.
Thank you so much.
All right, can
I'll
check
check up
it.
it on Tattoo.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye bye.
So that is the end of my video, guys. If you want to join our importation class is just 10,000 naira to join gadget importation. Trust me, see, if you join this class, you'll be saving so much money, so much. The discount on this phone, I'll try and do a proper calculation and put it on the screen, how much I spent on the laptop and how much I spent on the phone, so you can compare the price to phones in Nigeria that you buy. Remember that this phone does not have Face ID, so there's no Face ID. But god, I wish I can keep this phone for myself. It's too fine. Hee. So yeah, thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. And if you want me to make any type of video, just comment down below and I'll make the video for you. So thank you for watching. Bye.